Hi.
Do you have a minute?
Yeah, of course.
Can we do a quick 21 questions with Astitva?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, so can you tell us what inspired you to start it?
I think I can tell it to you, but before that, I should show it to you. Please come.
Thank you.
So you asked me how I started Astit or what inspired me to start Astit. Actually, I have seen this journey since my childhood. My first cousin was with special needs and she didn't have any place to go. Please come. And since my childhood, I thought that there should be some place for these children also where they feel accepted, they feel included, they feel empowered.
Wow, that's a great thought.
Yeah, thank you.
Tell us what's the meaning behind the name Astitva?
Yeah, Astitva means existence, and I feel that every human being has its dignity and its existence in this universe. And so we thank you. आप कुछ लेंगे?
Thank you.
Thank you. And I think that every human being should have that dignity, and they should improve their existence in this universe.
Wow. Where are you
Like-
taking us now?
Okay. This is my room. Hi, Ashi. Have you sent the mail?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. I hope you have included those points which I told you. Yeah? Can I see it? Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can
thank you.
describe Astitva in 3 words?
I can. Hope, opportunity, and
Independence?
of course, independence. Hope, opportunity, and independence. Come on, let me show you in.
So which activity gets the students most excited?
It's always the dance which excites them a lot, and it excites me also when I dance with them. Pragya ma'am and Manish sir, how is it going?
Awesome!
Yay!
Can you tell us what people misunderstand about special education and your job the most?
I think it's the thing that we have to lower our expectation. However, I feel that it's always to provide the right support to reach the maximum potential for them. Namaste! Namaste! Parth, namaste!
And what's the most rewarding part of your job?
It's always to see them doing something productive when they are learning and they are doing something independently. It's the best reward for me. See how beautiful bracelets they are making. Thank you. Wow, lovely. Lovely. Thank you. क्या कर रहे श्रीमान? Oh wow, बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. Very well done. चलो finish करो.
Who's stricter, you or the teachers?
Okay. श्रीमान कौन ज़्यादा strict है? मैं या लक्षिता मैम? लक्षिता मैम ज़्यादा strict है. I hope you got your answer.
Yes. And what's one word your staff would use to describe you?
Lakshita ma'am, I think this question is for you.
Okay, the one word which described Monica ma'am the most, I think all of the staff will agree that she is a workaholic boss lady. So this word is for her.
Oh God, workaholic boss lady. I didn't know that. Thank you very much.
And ma'am, what's your favorite Astitva event?
My favorite Astitva event is our Sports Ability Day and the carnival which we generally do around Diwali.
Ma'am, if Astitva had a theme song, what would it be?
I think इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का should suits the best.
Awesome. And why are therapies so important for our students?
Wow,
Yeah.
it's a very good question.
थेरेपीज़ मुझे ऐसा लगता है थेरेपीज़ इज़ अ मीडियम जिससे हम बच्चों की जो ब्रेन फंक्शन है, जो फिज़िकल फंक्शन है, जो कॉग्निटिव फंक्शन है, जो प्रोसेसिंग फंक्शंस है, यानी कि पूरे ओवरऑल फंक्शंस को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. देखिए हम जिन बच्चों के साथ काम करते हैं वो तो एक कंडीशन है ना, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसको इम्प्रूव नहीं किया जा सकता. तो थेरेपीज़ हेल्प टू इम्प्रूव, राइट?
What's always there in your office drawer?
Okay, in my office drawer I have makhanas, roasted chana, some sweets for my children to reward, and some activities for them to make them easy, like fidget balls and fidgeties, so that I can make their sensory needs calm. Come, I'll show you the speech room. Hi Yuvi! Yuvi, namaste! Hi Karina
Hello,
ma'am!
ma'am.
This is our speech room.
Pizza. Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
What's the most creative thing you have seen a student make?
Let me show you this, the most creative thing. It's made by Harshal and it's his creation. You know, it's so exciting. You can see a portal here, which is anywhere portal according to his imagination. If you go through this portal, you can reach anywhere, and you can have this rocket and leave the earth and reach anywhere in the space. I think that's the most creative thing.
Really? What's your favorite place at Astitwa?
My favorite place in Astitwa is our Ashiana, our home, where our students live, learn and feel at home. That's their second home, it's my second home. Come, I'll show you that also.
So why did you start the hostel?
I started hostel because there are several reasons otherwise, but the main reason is I want to provide support, learning, education, therapies to everybody, even those who are far away from this place where the facilities are not involved. So I think that everybody should be having this right to get education and life fully with dignity. Oh, Jagannath! कहानी देख रहे हो सुहा? Good job! Good job!
What's the most heartwarming moment you have witnessed in the hostel?
The most heartwarming moment is when one student helps the other one. When I see the empathy in them. When I see my culture, my values transform.
That's a great answer.
Hi, students!
So, ma'am, what makes Astitwa hostel different? What makes Ashiana different?
You know, the kind of atmosphere we have here, it's a happy place, it's a loving place where everybody is loved and empowered. They feel this place as their own home, and they are free to ask us anything as they can do at their home with their mothers. है ना?
आपके तो इंग्लिश तो सुपर है ना
है ना? Thank you.
हाँ
So, what is your biggest dream for Astitwa and Astitwa ka Ashiana?
मेरी ड्रीम की पूछोगे तो मैं तो पूरा ब्रह्मांड मुट्ठी में करना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा जो सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम है वो ये है कि अस्तित्व एक ऐसी जगह बने जहाँ पे दैट शुड बी एन आंसर फॉर मैनी ऑफ देम, फॉर मैनी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स, व्हाट विल आफ्टर मी या आफ्टर अस. तो उनको ये टेंशन ना हो कि बच्चे हमारे जाने के बाद उनका क्या होगा. सो दे शुड गो विद दिस पीस दैट द चिल्ड्रन आर इन आशियाना, in their home. Even after them, they will be safe and somebody will be there to take care of them.
Now, before we go, why don't you give us viewers a tour invitation?
Oh, I would love to do it. Please everyone, come visit and see what we are doing and support us in whatever way you can do. Thank you.